Hi everyone, I'm Neema and I welcome you all to my channel. Today's recipe is kids' favorite chicken nuggets. It's very simple, popular snack and it tastes awesome. These homemade nuggets are healthier and tastier than the frozen or fast food options. So let's take a look at the recipe. Here I've taken 4 slices of white bread. Now let's cut the sides away and then cut it into pieces. And powder it. Now let's take out the rest of the ingredients for blending. So here I'm having 500 grams of minced chicken, and I'm going to season it with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, along with our powdered bread. To this blended mixture, let's add 1.5 tablespoon of any veg oil, and knead it. And knead it well to a smooth consistency. And slightly press it down like this, and then flatten it almost into a rectangular shape, and then divide it into pieces. You can remove the edges like this. See how it looks. Now let's get the ingredients ready for coating the chicken pieces. For that, I've taken 2 eggs. Into it, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and whisk it. Next is to dip our chicken pieces in the egg wash. Dip it very well and then roll it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure to coat it very well. And then onto a plate. And repeat the same with the rest of our chicken pieces. It's ready. Now let's refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough, then we will gently drop in our pieces. Keep the flame on medium. Fry it till you get a nice golden color. The color looks good, so I'm just going to take it away. So here it is, yummy, crunchy and perfect. You can have this either with mayonnaise or ketchup. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video with another recipe. Bye.